Do you have a bed with no frame? Do you need more storage space in your bedroom? Well, let's make a platform bed with storage. Let's start with the storage part of this project. I purchased a 3-cube storage unit and put it together in 10 minutes. Now for the bed frame. I painted 2 1x12-inch pieces of pine to use at the sides of the frame. I needed something to elevate the mattress, so using 2x4s, I cut to size and used a Craig jig to make 2 U legs. I placed them at the head of the bed and in the middle of the bed. I laid a piece of 3/4-inch plywood on top of the U legs and screwed them into the plywood. I placed a storage unit at the foot of the bed and screwed that into the plywood. The painted 1x12s were attached to the U legs using brads. I then laid a 1x2 beside the plywood on the top and overhung the 1x12s and nailed them in place. Then I laid a 1x6 on top to hide the seam and nailed that in place. After the entire bed was done, I painted everything white. At the foot of the bed, the storage unit wasn't as wide as the actual bed, and there were gaps on either side. So to close those gaps, I used 2 1x2s as a frame, and then I nailed another 1x2 along the side and a 1x12 to cover the gap. I then nailed another 1x2 at the top to finish. After that, everything was painted white. Now that the bed frame was complete, it was time to make the headboard. I had a piece of 1/2-inch plywood cut to size. I measured and cut 1x4-inch pine to frame the plywood. I just nailed those in place. I added 1x2-inch pine to each side and then a 1x4-inch piece of pine at the top. The headboard was then painted white. Once the paint was dry, I added 1x2 to either side and screwed them fast to the 2x4 U legs underneath the bed. Although this project has a lot of pieces, it was so easy to make. I hope this inspires you to elevate your bed to the next level.